It was going to, yeah, it was going to.
Today is August 16. Joy is 37 weeks and 2 days old. She finally transitioned from tummy to sitting. Oh my gosh, at 37 weeks and 2 days. Thank you, Jesus. Finally, you slowpoke. Just kidding, baby. Mommy loves you. Joy Bunny. Can you do it again?
Go get Bunny. Up. Sit up. Sit up. Yeah, up.
Awesome job. Daddy's gonna be so proud of you. Daddy's gonna be so proud. Say hi, Grandma.
Say hi.
Jojo, can you say hi, Grandma, again? Say hi, Grandma.
Wait, bye-bye like this. Yes. Go.
Good job, baby. Good job.
Let's go.